Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make these super easy cake truffles. These are the perfect desserts or snacks for any party and they leave everyone amazed. You want to start off by baking any cake of your choice, like any flavor. I used the funfetti box cake and then I crumbled it up and added 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream cheese frosting, and then you just want to work it in to the crumbs. You can also gradually add it as you need instead of just adding it all in the beginning. And go in with your hands, don't be shy because it can be hard to form them into the dough with the spatula. Once it's formed, this is the texture you want, and then you want to start forming them into balls. I used a tablespoon to measure them out and I made them relatively big. You want to form all of them up and then put them in the freezer to chill for 10 to 15 minutes. Once they're in the freezer and chilling, you want to start by melting your milk chocolate. You could also use dark chocolate or white chocolate, whatever you prefer, but I like milk chocolate. You just want to break it up and melt it in the microwave with 30-second intervals. You can also add some coconut oil to add that shiny finish on top. Once the chocolate is done and the balls are nice and cold, you just want to coat the balls into the chocolate evenly and make sure to get rid of any excess chocolate on the balls, and make sure that the balls sit on a wax paper or parchment paper just so that they don't stick to the plate. Once they're all coated, you want to let them freeze for another 10 to 15 minutes and then you can enjoy.